Hey, what's happening everybody? So we're going to be talking about this bobbin winder and how to solve the issue with regards to this bobbin winder that doesn't wind thread on your bobbin. What is the cause and how to solve it real quick. If you are here on your first time, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe and keep the creative community going. Alright people, so here we have our bobbin winder, and this is an industrial machine bobbin winder. So over time the machine experienced a lot of pressure and heat and friction on the inside of this bobbin winder. So what happens is that this metal tube or metal disc over here has a piece of rubber that is attached to it, and that rubber over time it loses its lubrication and it heats up and then it snaps over time. So if you have experienced that the bobbin winder is not winding your bobbin, it's because of this rubber that snapped. So you can get yourself a new rubber at any of these sewing machine manufacturers within Cape Town or wherever you are people. Get yourself one of these rubbers and attach this rubber to your metal disc over here. So flip it around and push this new rubber onto this metal disc, and it's quite easy to install people. Once it clips in, it's actually quite snug on this metal tube or metal disc. So when that other metal disc on the inside of the machine rotates against this tube or this rubber, it allows the bobbin winder to wind thread on your bobbin people. So when I install my bobbin, I click this bar, and then when I move this tube, the bobbin is actually moving, as you can see over there. And that is essentially how you install your new bobbin winding rubber onto your bobbin winder. Alright, once it's installed people, you head back to your machine, you plug it into that bobbin winding fitting, and then you screw back these 3 screws that you've taken out previously. Use a nice strong screwdriver with a wide flat and apply a lot of pressure onto the screwdriver, and that will allow you to reconnect the bobbin winder into its fitting. And that is essentially how we go about it people. Let me know if that information helped you out there, and let me know what you did to solve this issue. Alright people, so that is how we go about installing the new bobbin winding rubber, allowing our bobbin winder to wind thread on the bobbin. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this content.